Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain the exercise 2.2. First question. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify relationship between zeros and the coefficients. It means we want to find the zeros of the given quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between zeros and the coefficients. It means sum of zeros and product of zeros. So here first question is x square minus 2x minus 8. So I am going to solve it. I am thinking this quadratic equation as p of x equals to x square minus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. Multiply these both numbers. By multiplying these both numbers, we get minus 8x square. Plus into minus, minus 8 into x square, 8x square. The factors of minus 8x square suitable for minus 2x are minus 4x plus 2x. The sum or difference of the minus 4x and plus 2x. Want to get the minus 2x. Let's check. Minus 4x plus 2x. 4x, subtracting 4x and 2x, we get 2x. For bigger number, what symbol is there? Minus. So I am keeping minus 2x. We got minus 2x. So I am writing x square minus 2x can be written as minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 equals to 0. What are the common factors in x square and minus 4x? X into x square, plus into minus, minus x into 4x. After plus there is 2 possibility in 2x and minus 8. 2 into x, 2x, plus into minus, minus 2 4s are 8 equals to 0. X plus 2 into x minus 4 equals to 0. Now these both zeros are equals to 0. I am doing that. X plus 2 equals to 0. X equal when x plus 2 equals to 0. If we transfer 2 to the right side, it will get minus. So x equals to minus 2. X minus 4 equals to 0. When x minus 4 equals to 0, if minus 4 transferred to the right side, it will get x equals to plus 4. So I am thinking that alpha is equals to minus 2 comma beta is equals to plus 4. So let us do the verification. In verification, I am doing the first step of sum of zeros equals to sum of zeros means what are the zeros here? Alpha and beta. Sum of zeros equals to alpha plus beta is equals to alpha means minus 2 plus beta means 4. 4 minus 2 means 2. We got sum of zeros equals to 2. Now from the formula, minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. What is coefficient of x here? Minus 2. So minus of minus 2 by coefficient of x square is 1. So by 1 equals to minus into minus plus 2. We got the both are equal. After product of integers, product of zeros equals to product of zeros means what are the zeros here? Alpha and beta. So alpha into beta is equals to alpha is minus 2 and beta is plus 4 is equals to plus into minus minus 2 4s are 8. Now I am doing this by formula constant term by coefficient of x square. What is constant term here? Minus 8. Minus 8 by coefficient of x square is plus 1 equals to minus 8. We have completed first problem. Let us go to the second problem. Here the second question is 4s square minus 4s plus 1. Let us solve it. I am thinking that I am taking it as P of s equals to 4s square minus 4s plus 1 equals to 0. I am multiplying these both numbers. By multiplying those both, I get 4s square. The fact I am taking the factors of 4s square as minus 2s and minus 2s. The sum difference of minus 2s and minus 2s is minus 4s. Let us check. 4s square minus 2s minus 2s. I am doing here addition. So minus 2s minus 2s minus 4s plus 1 is equal to 0. In 4s square and minus 2s I am taking common 2s. 2 2s are 4. S into s, s square. 2s plus into minus minus 2s 1s are 2s. After minus 1 into minus into plus minus 1 into 2s 2s minus into minus plus 1 1s are 1 equals to 0. 2s minus 1 into 2s minus 1 equals to 0. It means 2s minus 1 equals to 0. When 2s minus 1 equals to 0, if we transfer minus 1 to the right side, it will get 2s equals to plus 1. Here 2 is multiplying with the s. So if we transfer 2 to that side, we will get division. So s equals to 1 by 2 or 2s minus 1 equals to 0. Both the factors are same. So 2s equals to 1, s equals to 1 by 2. Alpha is equals to beta is equals to, both the zeros are equals to 1 by 2. We got the alpha and beta. So let us do the verification. What is the first step of the verification? Sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means what are the zeros here? Alpha and beta. So alpha plus beta is equals to 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. Equals to, I am taking here common 2. Why means both are like fractions. 2 by 2 means 1. 1 1s are 1 plus 2 by 2 1. 1 1s are 1 is equals to 1 plus 1 means 2 by 2. 2 1s are 2. Sum of zeros is equals to 1. After we got this by the normal procedure. Let us do the formula procedure. Equals to minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square is equals to minus, what is the coefficient of, sorry friends, here coefficient of, we take s, so coefficient of s by coefficient of s square. Here coefficient of s is minus 4, so minus of minus 4 by coefficient of s square is 4. 4 ones are 4. Minus into minus plus, plus 1. Both are equal. So let us do the product of integers. Product of zeros. Equals to alpha into beta. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is equals to 1 ones are 1 by 2 twos are 4 equals to, we got by the normal procedure. Now we do the formal procedure. Constant term by coefficient of x square. Here constant term is 1 by coefficient of x square is 4, so 1 by 4. So we have completed second problem. Let us go to the third problem. Here the problem is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Let us solve it. Here the given problem is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. Here I am writing this minus 7x before the minus 3. So I am writing directly p of x is equals to 6x square minus 7x minus 3 equals to 0. Multiply these both numbers. Plus into minus, minus 6 3s are 18. 18x square means 2 plus 2x minus 9x, plus into minus, minus 2 9s are 18x into x, x square. So if we add or subtract these both numbers, we want to get minus 7x. So minus 7x plus 2x. We want to subtract here. 9 minus 2, 7x. What is the symbol for the big value? 9 minus. So minus 7x. We got, there is here. So 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. What is the common factor in 6x square and minus 9x? 3x. So 3x into 3 2s are 6, x into x, x square, plus into minus, minus 3x 3s are 9x, plus 1 into 2x minus 3 equals to 0. 3x plus 1 into 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Both the zeros are equal to 0. So 3x plus 1 equals to 0. When 3x plus 1 equals to 0, if we transfer plus 1 to the right side, it will become minus 1. So 3x equals to minus 1. Here 3 is multiplied by x. If we transfer the 3 to right side, it will get divided by 3. So x is equals to minus 1 by 3. This is the one of the 0. Second one, 2x minus 3 equals to 0. When 2x minus 3 equals to 0, If we transfer minus 3 to the right side, it will get 2x is equals to plus 3. After, if we here 2 is multiplied by x, if we transfer 2 to the right side of the equation, it will become x equal to 3 by 2. So here we got the two zeros. Let us think alpha is equals to minus 1 by 3 comma beta is equals to 3 by 2. After we got the values of alpha and beta, let us do the verification. First step of the verification is sum of zeros equals to alpha plus beta is equals to minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. What is the LCM of 3 and 2? 6. So 6 by 3 means it remains 2. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 6 by 2 means 3. It remains 3. 3 into 3 9. 9 minus 2 equals to 7 by 6 equals to minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x here? Minus 7. Minus of minus 7 by coefficient of x square is 6. So minus into minus plus 7 by 6. We got that sum of the zeros, both values are equal after product of zeros. Alpha into beta is equals to minus 1 by 3 into 3 by 2. Here 3 and 3 gets cancelled is equals to minus 1 by 2 equals to, by the formula, constant term by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. What is the constant term here? Minus 3. Minus 3 by, what is the coefficient of x square? 6. So by 6. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6 equals to minus 1 by 2. Also we got the product of zeros, both are equal. Let us go to the fourth question. So here the fourth question is 4u square plus 8u. Let us solve it. I am thinking that P of u is equals to 4u square plus 8u is equals to 0. It means in 4u square and 8u, the common is 4u. So 4u of 4u into u, 4u square plus 4u into 2, 8u equals to 0. We got the zeros. The two zeros are 4u and u plus 2. So 4u is equals to 0. U is equals to, if we transfer 4 to the right side, we get 0 by 4. U is equals to 0 or u plus 2 is equals to 0. When u plus 2 is equals to 0, if we transfer plus 2 to the right side, it becomes minus 2. U is equals to minus 2. So by these two zeros I am writing alpha is equals to 0, beta is equals to minus 2. So we got the both alpha and beta. So let us do the verification. Sum of zeros equals to, what are the zeros here? Alpha and beta. So sum of zeros equals to alpha plus beta is equals to 0 plus of minus 2 is equals to 0 minus 2. Plus into minus, minus 0 minus 2 is equals to minus 2. So here we got minus 2 by the normal procedure. Now do it by the formula, that is minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of, here u by coefficient of u square is equals to, what is the coefficient of u here? 8. There is minus 8 by coefficient of u square is 4. So minus 8 by 4. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8 is equals to minus 2. We got sum of zeros, both are equal. Now let us do the product of zeros. Product of zeros equals to alpha into beta is equals to 0 of minus 2. 0 into anything becomes 0 is equals to, by the formula, constant term by coefficient of u square is equals to, what is the constant term? There is no constant term here. So we have to take 0 by coefficient of u square is 4. 0 by 4 is equals to 0. So here also we got the both values equal. So we have completed fourth problem. Let us go to the fifth problem. Here t square minus 15. Let us solve it. I am taking t square minus 15 as p of t is equals to t square minus 15 is equals to 0. This quadratic polynomial is equals to 0. I am writing the 15 as square root of 15 whole square. Square root of 15 whole square means square and root gets cancelled, equals to 15. So I am writing 15 as square root of 15 whole square is t square minus square root of 15 whole square is equals to 0. Here t square minus square root of 15 whole square is in the form of a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. So I am writing that is in the form of t plus square root of 15 into t minus square root of 15 equals to 0. It means both values are equals to 0. First I am taking that t plus root 15 equals to 0. When t plus square root of 15 is equals to 0, if we transfer square root of 15 to the right side, we will get that t is equals to minus square root of 15. Another one, t minus root 15 equals to 0. When t minus square root of 15 equals to 0, if we transfer minus square root of 15 to the right side, it becomes t is equals to square root of 15. So we got alpha is equals to minus square root of 15, beta is equals to square root of 15. We got alpha and beta. So let us do the verification. First, sum of zeros equals to, what are the zeros here? Alpha and beta. So sum of zeros equals to alpha plus beta is equals to, alpha is minus square root of 15 and beta is plus square root of 15. So plus square root of 15 is equals to, both are the same values with opposite signs, but so both are get cancelled, equals to 0. By the formula, minus of coefficient of t by coefficient of x square, I mean t square, is equals to, what is the coefficient of t? There is no t in the equation, so 0 by t square is 1. 0 by 1 means 0. We got that both are equal. After product of zeros equals to alpha into beta minus square root of 15 into plus square root of 15, plus into minus, minus square root of 15 whole square, square and root gets cancelled, equals to, we got here 15. Let us do the same by formula. Constant term by coefficient of t square is equals to, what is the constant here? Minus 15. So minus 15 by coefficient of t square is 1. Here I had a mistake, friends. Here there is also minus, so minus 15. Minus 15 by coefficient of t square means plus 1, equals to minus 15. Now let us go to the sixth problem. Here the problem is 3x square minus x minus 4. Let us solve this. I am thinking that this given equation as p of x equals to 3x square minus x minus 4. This whole equation is equals to 0. Now let's multiply these two numbers. We will get plus into minus, minus 3 4s are 12. 12 into x square, 12x square. The multiply of these two numbers will give minus 12x square. The factors for minus 12x square was minus 4x plus 3x. The sum or difference of these two numbers will get minus x. So I am writing that 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4 equals to 0. Understand? If we multiply these two numbers, the result will be minus 12x square. The sum or difference of these two numbers will give minus x. So I wrote that in 3x square minus 4x, the common one is x. X into 3x, 3x square, plus into minus, minus x into 4, 4x, plus 1 into 3x, 3x, plus into minus, minus 1 4s are 4 equals to 0. Now x plus 1 into, there are 2 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4s are 2 there. We want to take 1 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 equals to 0. These two zeros are equals to 0. So x plus 1 equals to 0. When x plus 1 equals to 0, if we transfer 1 to the right side of the equation, it becomes x equals to minus 1. This is the one of the 0. Or another one, 3x minus 4 equals to 0. When 3x minus 4 equals to 0, if minus 4 transfers to the right side, it will become 3x equals to 4. 3 is here, 3 is multiplying by x. So if we transfer 3 that side, it will divide the, it will divide. So x is equals to 4 by 3. We got the two zeros. I am turning them into another one. Alpha is equals to -1, beta is equals to 4 by 3. I thought that alpha is equals to -1, beta is equals to -4. So let us do the verification. First step of verification, sum of the zeros. What are the sum of zeros? Alpha plus beta is equals to, alpha means -1 plus beta means 4 by 3 is equals to 3 into -1, -3 plus 4 by 3 equals to 4 minus 3 means -1 by 3. We got the sum of 0. Now we can do this by the formula. The minus of coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. What is the coefficient of x here? -1. Coefficient of x square is 3. So -1. Coefficient of x is -1. So minus of -1 by coefficient of x square is 3 equals to, minus into minus plus 1 by 3. After we got sum of the zeros both equal. Sorry friends, here 4 minus 3 means plus 1. 1 by 3. We got these two are same. So after, let us go to the another one. Product of zeros equals to alpha into beta is equals to alpha is -1, beta is plus 4 by 3 equals to -4 by 3. We got -4 by 3. Now by formula, constant term by coefficient of x square. What is constant term here? -4. -4 by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square is 3. So equals to -4 by 3. In next video, I will explain the exercise 2.2. For more updates, subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos. Thanks for watching.